Megan with WTI, and sometimes I want to cut back on my sugar, or I want to make a dessert for one of my diabetic friends, but I don't want that dessert to taste any different from any other dessert. So for those times, I love to use these Lily's semi-sweet baking chips that are sweetened with stevia. To me, these baking chips taste almost exactly the same as regular semi-sweet chocolate chips. I was a little bit concerned that because they were sweetened with stevia instead of sugar, that they might melt differently. However, I was very happy to see that when I used these baking chips for my chocolate truffle recipe, that they melted exactly the same as any other chocolate chip. The result was silky smooth and dreamy melted chocolate. The chocolate mixed perfectly well with the whipping cream and the butter and the other ingredients. The result were some luscious and dreamy chocolate truffles that nobody would ever guess were lower in sugar. I am really glad that I can continue to use all my favorite chocolate recipes, and all I have to do is swap out regular chocolate chips with these Lily's semi-sweet chocolate chips, and the sugar is reduced and great for my diabetic friends. And that's my point of view.